Everyone will love this cabbage. No flour and no oven required. To start our recipe, we will need 300 grams of cabbage, cut into strips. Put it all into a bowl and cover with boiling water. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Now, in a bowl, add 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 1 pinch of salt, and mix well. Tell me where you're watching us from so that I can thank you for following our recipes. In a pan on low heat, add 1 tablespoon of butter and wait for it to melt. After that, add all our cabbage, the egg mixture, and spread it well with the spatula. And if you're still watching the video, you're loving the recipe. Then like the video and write in the comments, "I love cabbage." Add 100 grams of grated mozzarella cheese, cover the pan, and let it cook for 10 minutes. Then remove the lid with the help of a plate. Turn it over to cook the other side. Try this recipe at home, then tell me what you think. I'm sure you'll love it. As a topping, add some tomato sauce, mozzarella cheese, some slices of sausage, more mozzarella cheese, cover it again, and leave it for 5 minutes. And our recipe is ready to be enjoyed. I really hope you liked it. Thank you very much for watching this. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.